Okay, CPSP naman tayo.
Hirap din pagka medyo close mo yung nag-invite, binubuli ka.
The program we're in, there would be a...
I-play na naman natin yung sponsorship video. Kasi ang sponsorship video for the whole year, every webinar, piniplay ko namin. So, the more mas maraming webinar, mas marami namin commercial yung mga sponsor natin.
Hello po, good morning everyone. My name is Jayan Sanchomen. I'll be representing the REBAC Global Taguig Pacific.
So we successfully launched our first meeting of real estate.
Please join me in a warm welcome for our Honorable Jose Arnold M. Payo.
Alam nyo ba na itong Arte-Bara, kasi active, pero hindi pa. Pero for your information, the final version of the law, tumaan na siya sa BICAM, Congress, Senate, nag-meet na sila,
SMTC ang mamamasake para sa amin, SMTC ang bahala sa aming accommodation.